Structural teams are under increasing pressure to maintain alignment between design intent, performance, and detailing as projects evolve in complexity. Revit 2027 for structure addresses this challenge by strengthening continuity across modeling, analysis, and detailing workflows. Focused on analytical modeling, rebar detailing, and detailed steel modeling, this release connects physical modeling to structural performance and fabrication precision. Let's begin with analytical modeling, where improvements strengthen the connection between physical modeling and structural performance. Analytical modeling introduces structurally aware automation. The analytical model updates directly from physical changes while preserving pinned elements. Panels read core layer thickness. Floors align to supports with balcony control. Analytical geometry remains stable through revision cycles. Analytical node hosting gives you deterministic control over connectivity. Enable or disable hosting to manage change propagation. Split analytical panels along grids or members. And loads and boundary conditions automatically rehost. Connectivity remains stable, even in complex systems. Advanced load and boundary condition modeling increases realism and precision. Assign cladding roles for lateral load transfer. Place loads with temporary dimensions and snap to meaningful references. Position boundary conditions along analytical elements with full flexibility. True load paths are represented with higher fidelity. Boundary conditions now support tagging, filtering, scheduling, and attribute selection. The analytical model becomes auditable, structured, and aligned with firm standards. From analysis, the workflow extends into reinforcement detailing, where enhanced rebar controls improve production readiness. Bars are positioned along a three-dimensional path driven by one or more edges of the concrete host. Bar geometry is defined by a rebar shape with precise sectional dimensions. As the host changes, the distribution adapts without redefining shapes. Complex concrete becomes more predictable to detail. Longitudinal bars automatically update in response to changes in the transverse rebar. This makes them appropriate for detailing complex structures such as bridges and tunnels, as well as conventional building columns and beams. Coordination gaps narrow, and the risk of late-stage rework decreases. Longitudinal freeform splicing introduces full control over lap length, stagger configuration, and splice location. Splices update automatically as bar geometry changes, preserving alignment and improving detailing clarity while maintaining constructability through design evolution. Enhanced spacing layout brings formula-based precision to spacing logic. Combine fixed distances, counts, percentages, and variable zones in the layout formula for a rebar set. Report simple and detailed spacing summaries in tags and schedules. Spacing is no longer calculated manually. It is managed through rule-based controls. The new concrete ribbon centralizes cast-in-place and precast tools within a unified ribbon. From concrete systems, improvements extend into detailed steel modeling and fabrication workflows. Steel elements now behave predictably across detail levels. An improved hidden line behavior keeps drawings clean and accurate after resizing members or adding new connections. You can also apply Revit geometric cuts to connected structural members, including cut by face, cut by reference plane, and attaching columns to reference planes. Revit 2027 for structure connects detailed modeling, analysis, and fabrication into a single, reliable structural workflow. Move forward with precision and put structural intent back in control. For a detailed breakdown of everything included in this release, explore the Help Release notes or watch the complete feature series on our YouTube channel.